Hey guys, this is Sidra. Welcome to my YouTube channel Educate with Sidra. In this video, we are doing the chapter number 7 of O levels chemistry, and the chapter number 7 is chemical formula and equations. So let's start the video. Now, balanced chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation equals the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. For example, Fe plus S, that will make iron sulfide, it is FeS. Another example, magnesium plus oxygen, that will give you magnesium oxide. So two atoms of oxygen on the left hand side, right? So magnesium atom should be, you have to balance it. There are two magnesium, so you are two oxygen, that is two oxygen for this oxygen and magnesium oxide. Now again the magnesium will become 2, so it will need 2 magnesium. This is the correct way of the balanced chemical equation, right? Another example, like zinc react with the hydrochloric acid, it will give you zinc chloride ZnCl2 plus H2. So how you will balance it? Yes, come on, how will you balance it? Because this is HCl, there are 2 Cl, so we are writing 2 HCl, 2 balances hydrogen, that is there in the right hand side, 2 hydrogen, and zinc is 1, so here zinc is 1. This is all the balanced chemical equation. Now, how to write the balanced chemical equation? The first step is basically write down the formula of the reactant and the product. Second step is check the number of atoms of each element on both sides of the equation. Third is balance the equation. To balance the number of chlorine atoms, we need to put a 2 in front of the NaCl. The equation is still not balanced, but there are 2 sodium on the right hand side and 1 sodium atom on the left hand side. To balance the equation, we need 2 in front of sodium, right? First, what we are doing, make use of the 3-4 steps. What we are doing, there is sodium plus chlorine, that will become sodium chloride, right? First, we are writing the formula of the reactant and product. Done. Second step is how many atom? 2 chlorine of atom. We are writing 2 chlorine of atom on the left hand side, but only 1 chlorine atom on the right hand side. So you have to balance the chlorine first, right? We are writing 2 over here with the because of the chloride ions. Now, what is the effect of this 2 sodium chloride? This increases in the number of atom of sodium. So you have to balance the sodium. We are putting 2 here in front of the sodium. So this balances the sodium as well, right? And add the state symbol. As a state symbol, what is the physical state? Solid, liquid, gas. So chlorine is gas, sodium is solid, and sodium chloride is again solid. Sodium chloride is solid that we are using in our homes, right? So the balanced equation read as that the 2 atoms of sodium react with the 1 molecule of chlorine to form 2 formula units of sodium chloride. So this is how we write the balanced chemical equation, right? Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like the video and comment.